This John L. Scott, Salem property video is presented by Hector Garcia. An opportunity to live in the President's neighborhood in West Salem. So many upgrades in the last 3 years, such as interior and exterior paint, garage door replacement, tankless water heater, interior finishes, deck framing, luxury flooring, new tile backsplash, new kitchen countertops, new gas downdraft range. Should you have a power outage, the electrical panel is wired to accept a generator to power the home, a 3-car garage, and so much more. Blueberry bushes fruiting now and ready. For more information, review the details below or contact Hector Garcia at 503-931-8501.